my friends! Wow, it is really raining super hard. But I figured it out, so I wanted to show you real quick. I previously had done a video on this Born Pretty Magician stamping gel, which is in a solid form in this little jar. I had kind of iffy results, so I got this Born Pretty stamping mixing oil, and you can mix this with other colors, but I just wanted to show you how I made this work for doing a chrome. So first of all, I put down a base. This is just like some really crummy gel that I literally found at a thrift store. So it's just got this nice burgundy color. It's sort of a velvety burgundy. I did a very mediocre job on my application. These are Gel X tips. I use the Maniology Soft Gel. Check out that last video I did on Gel X. I am a total noob about it, and I'm not doing a good job, but yeah, you can kind of like join my Gel X journey, but please remember that my channel is for entertainment purposes only, okay? Like, this is not, like, I'm not a nail tech, this isn't school, you know what I mean? I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so let me tell you what I'm doing. Okay, so I've got this Beetles Matte Top Gel, and this is what makes it able to stick, or like to not stick, basically. It's a little more accurate actually. So I don't have to be like super duper careful with the matte, but let me go ahead and just cover all my nails. Okay, I'm all matte, which is really pretty. Actually, it looks good matte, but I don't know. I'm a shiny gal, what can I say? So I really prefer this mixing oil, and like I said, I'm not going to be mixing it for this video. We can use a normal scraper and stamper. Make sure they're both clean. And this is pretty easy, honestly. It's pretty thin. Just a little bit viscous. And so I'll start with my little pinky. And so with the other Magician gel, it's pretty hard to see, and it still is, but you kind of get the hang of it. Okay, so that's really off center. So I'm gonna do it again. This is tricky. Like, I think that doing this hand went pretty well, honestly, but it still was pretty fiddly, and it took several tries to kind of get the, oops, get the things lined up the way I wanted. Okay, that looks awesome. You can kind of see in the light, it looks perfect. And now I'm just taking this and rub that in there real nice and good. Oh, it's so pretty. So once you get like that mirror, you can kind of brush it off, but I found that just actually rubbing it with your finger gives the best result. Look how cool that is. Let's try the rest. Get the hang of it, because the next time I do this, I'll be so quick. And I'm getting faster at Gel X. It's really hard for me though. Oh wait, I had accent nails. My goodness. I think it's crooked. think it doesn't help that I applied these tips just a little bit crooked. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Looks like I got a spot right there though. I don't want that. Ugh, it's so sexy, right? Look at that. I think I applied this one a little wonky. Let's see if I can fix that. Next up, I want to use this. This plate is from the Maniology Halloween box of Night. Just sold out in like 12 hours. Yeah, that looks cool. Okay, so you see how this is not rubbing off? I know if you take a alcohol pad, alcohol swab or whatever, and just go over it, it doesn't seem to bother it. So it'll just take it off of the matte part of the nail. It looks so cool. Okay, we got 2 more. So yeah, this stuff is way easier to use. I'm really curious to do some color mixing with it. That's gonna have to be in a different video though. I know I've been kind of like doing these piecemeal. I'm just sort of figuring stuff out on my own, you know. Y'all are just along for the ride for whatever reason. That looks good, right? Yeah, I'm doing a good job on the Frenches. Good job, Lauren. I'm usually pretty bad at them. Oh, it looks so cool. Look at that. I'm obsessed. That is so sexy looking. And for my thumb, I use this image here, which is pretty cool. I really like all the kind of like lace details from this box, and it really works great for the chrome in my opinion. Because it's just real nice at picking up those details. Let's see, does that look right? Yeah. I'm crushing it today. I'm rubbing pretty hard on this alcohol pad, and it seems fine. It seems very resilient to that. So I think that's it. So yeah, I really like this stuff. I'll explore it a little more, and also this one too, because I didn't do any mixing. So maybe that'll be the next video. Just FYI though, I'm gonna be like trying to hit it real hard with the Halloween this month. I've got a lot of stuff planned, so that might be a little later. So the only other thing that I have to do here is top coat this, and this is kind of where I need your advice, because I am like pretty worried that this chrome is gonna chip my top coat. I feel like I saw somebody mention some products to prevent that from happening. I don't know. Could you please let me know how to properly top coat a manicure like this so it won't chip? Or maybe this won't chip, I really don't know, but I'm under the impression that chrome powders tend to chip. I guess I'll let you know. And yeah, doesn't this look so pretty velvety? I know I just covered it up with the gloss, but like, it's pretty tempting to put another coat of matte on there. I personally have, it's kind of like a, I don't like the texture. So I'm just gonna make sure my top coat looks good. Yes, 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 yes. And then the last one is the thumb, and then I am out of here. I'm actually not going anywhere. I was thinking about it, but the weather is kind of encouraging me to stay inside. So what do you think of my super sexy Gel X Chrome stamping? How do you like my manicure? I think it looks awesome. I think it looks super cool. And it kind of looks like a little combo with, like, between the Gothic and then like a little bit of like Southwestern or something. I don't know. It's just, I'm loving it. Mwah. Anyway, yeah. Stay dry out there, my friends. And until next time, bye.